MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this on derived platform. It is simple, and I've combined few indicators together to come up with this forex strategy for MetaTrader4. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Welcome to Profitable FOREX Trading channel. I'm going to show you how to use this particular winning strategy. Make sure you watch the video to the end. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory and see if there is any news concerning any currency that you want to trade. Make sure you stay away 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after. Better still, you can stay away for that particular currency for the whole day, since we have other alternatives to pick from. You can use this particular strategy on any pairs like a US, USD, CAD, AUD, USD, Great Britain pounds and US dollar, and the likes. You can use it on Great Britain pounds and Japanese yen, and you can use this on metal like gold, silver. You can use this particular forex strategy for MetaTrader4. You can use this on indices also, like US 100, that is US 100, US 30, US 500, and the likes. You can use it on indices. You can use this particular strategy on stocks also, since your MT4 platform do have stocks also, so you can use this to trade your stocks. And do not forget that you can use this on cryptocurrency also, like a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doji, Litecoin, and the rest. You can use it any of the crypto currency. Make sure you follow the simple rule and see how I trade this particular strategy. This particular indicator is free, and the download link is in the video description. Make sure you check it out. Now let's move on, and let me show you how to use this particular forex tools for MetaTrader4. The main indicator on my chart here is this red arrow indicator with this box here, and this blue arrow, not the aqua color, the blue arrow and the blue box. Anytime you see this arrow, you can place your trade, and I'm going to check in the course of this video if this indicator do repaint or not, so that we know if the signal generated by this indicator is reliable or not. When you see this particular arrow, you can place your trade for a sell, and your stop loss will be few pips above the previous high. Your risk to reward ratio can be 1:1. And here we have a continuation also, but this do not give us any profit before we have the opposite signal. And then let's consider this blue arrow here. We have a buy signal here, followed by the blue arrow, the aqua color. Though I do not use this aqua color to enter a trade, I will tell you what I use it for. So you can enter your trade with this blue arrow here, this blue big blue arrow, and the box. This is a continuation. Then you can place your trade. Stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low before this signal was generated. And here we have the other arrow here, this smaller arrow, aqua color or doja blue color. Then this is just a continuation to the previous signal. The first signal was generated by this arrow, then continuation I use this particular indicator. So this, at this point, you can enter more trade, or if you miss the first trade here, you can enter at this particular point. And yet again we have a continuation because we have the first buy here. There's no any sell anywhere, and the arrow indicator do give us another arrow for a buy, and then we can enter another trade using this particular indicator. And this is how to use it. So you can enter multiple of trade with this arrow indicator in the direction of the main trend, and this is how to use this particular indicator. You can use it on any time frame you want, and here is it on the 1 minute. So at this particular point we have another buy signal generated here, and these are continuation arrow. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want. Now let's check it on higher time frame. It's still the same principle. We have a buy signal generated here, and we have continuation at this particular point. We have a sell signal generated here, followed by this box, and these are valid signal generated by this particular forex tool. Here is another buy signal here. We have the continuation arrow here in the direction of the main trend, and this is how to use this particular strategy. Now let me show you the indicators I use for this particular MetaTrader4 winning trading strategy. And the first indicator that gives us this big arrow, the main arrow here, is this indicator, Zidos crossover indicator, and these are the values that I use. But never to worry, if you want to set it up manually, you can do that. And I'm going to drop the indicator with the template in the video description. You can download it for free. These are the values for this particular indicator. If you want, you can play with this value and change it to anything you want and see if it is more accurate than what I have here. Please do play with it. And the second indicator is just this Ignashi indicator, which I believe you have, or you can download it anywhere, but I will include it in my video description so that you can download it also. And the last indicator that gives us this arrow here, this Dodger blue arrow here and red, is a half trend indicator. So I turn off the other color here since I do not need it. So you can do the same thing if you want also. But if you want the line generated by this candle, you can turn on the other color. So these are the values for this uptrend indicator. If you want to set it up manually, you can do that. But if you want the template is included in the video description. When you download it, you will see a link to download the template also, so that you can download it if you want. So this is all the forex indicators I use for this particular MetaTrader4 wallet strategy. Now I said I'm going to check if this main indicator do repaint or not. So let's go over to our strategy tester here that I circle here. Just click on it. And then you are going to have it here. Then select the indicator you want. Is it expert you want to test or indicator? Is indicator I want to test. Then you can look for the indicator you want to use, but I have it here already, and any time frame you want, you can select it here, or the PS rather, you select it here, and the time frame you select it here also. You can test it on any minute or any time frame you want, and use every tick here, and click on start. Allow this chart to load. So let me pause the video because it's going to take like a few seconds. Welcome back. Now we have this indicator on the chart right now, and you can click on play here. This is a play button, so you can click on it. So if it is too fast for you, you can reduce this and click on play again. Since we do not have all the time, what I will do is to increase it and pause it along the way to check the signal generated by this indicator. We have the arrow and the blue box here. Let's see if it's going to disappear. Now this indicator do not repaint. This is the first arrow and the box I circled. Here we have another arrow, but this did not deliver until we have the opposite signal. And this is how to test if indicator repaints or not, if you can rely on the signal generated by this indicator. So I have shown you if this indicator repaints or not, so you can decide either to use it or not. And make sure you test any indicator given either by anyone or you buy it on demo account. Make sure you trade on the regulated forex broker, so that you will not waste your effort and your money. So this is how to test if the indicator repaints or not. I have shown you how to use it, and we've tested if it repaints or not. So if you want to use this indicator, make sure you use it. Feel free to use it, and do register with a regulated forex broker. In my video links, I draw some of the links to these forex brokers. You can register with any of the brokers. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.